This Japanese motorcycle racer fell off of his motorcycle but kept his composure and somehow didn't die. Sure, we all know flipbooks are the new wave, but did you know that there are 3D flipbooks? Basically, this disc spins so fast that it looks like this frog is jumping, and it's a cool little animation. Now if you're just looking directly at the glove in this video, you may think it's just a normal old video, but it's actually a robot hand. And if you couldn't tell that, maybe that's a personal issue, let's not get into that. Basically, this is a wireless hand that you can control, and it looks really realistic. Well, in the glove. I'm pretty sure that these bags are excited to see me, because they sure are expanding quickly. Don't ever tell me that you've had real good friends until you've actually been friends with an ant. Why do I say this? Well, these ants are actually helping their friend ant get out of a web, and they clean him up later. Now that's a real one. This patio was so dirty that when he cleans it, it almost looks worse somehow. Well, until it's fully cleaned. Now, as you enjoy this overturned iceberg, make sure to click that subscribe button real quick, only takes about 2 seconds, and while you're at it, might as well click the like button. I'd appreciate it. Now hopefully you found this at least somewhat interesting. Thanks for watching.